I'm Rick with HemSaw. I'd like to take time to introduce you to one of our new models that we got. The unique thing about this saw is it's completely hydraulic. It's got a hydraulic pump and pressure right here where you can set your settings for your feed rate cut with hydraulics. The hydraulics also runs the vise. So everything is done by hydraulic. It's a semi-automatic saw, and so the hydraulics is the main important part about this saw. Also, the other thing I'd like to tell you about is it pivots to the right at 45, it pivots to the left at 45, and it pivots to the left at 60 degrees. So it does double miter both ways at 45. If you notice, I'm moving the arm really easy because it's got two sealed bearings down here, where most other saws have two steel plates that rub together and get sticky and won't miter. This has two sealed bearings that never gets coolant in it, and it'll stay mitering very good all the time. This saw has a 1.5 horsepower motor, and also it has a 2-speed control. You got fast and slow on the control. When you do your miter to the other side, it has a quick release handle here that you can move the vise to this side, so you can do your miter cuts this direction. So when you want to miter cut the other direction, you just move it back to miter on the other side. When you go to do your cuts, you want to crank the vise here in till it touches the metal. You want to bring it back a quarter of a turn, and when you hit the start button, the vise will close hydraulically, automatically, and the saw will go into cut. When you start your cut, before you start your cut, this arm here is for the hydraulic control on how fast the bow goes up and down. So you can set this and move it this way, and the arm will go down really fast. Once you get it into the location you want, pull it back to a neutral position, then you can set your stop so that your arm only goes up as high as you set your stop, so you're not wasting time. Once you get this set in the right position, this is your cutting pressure. You've already got it set, and your cutting pressure takes over. So it's all done hydraulically. All the parts are kept for these at HemSaw in Pryor, Oklahoma, with a year warranty on parts, and you can find these on redlinestands.com.